This portable power station is designed for outdoor activities like camping, tailgating, or festivals where you need power on the go. It supports charging for all your necessities and more, like mini refrigerators, GoPros, drones, lights, or speakers, functional for indoor as well. It is perfect as a generator for home use, as an emergency blackout kit or power source in construction environments. From charging your phone, tablet, or laptop to watching TV, it's all made easier with this. This is engineered without an engine, which means it uses no fuel, needs no maintenance, and generates no noise for a hassle-free experience, without fumes or special care. This is the ultra-versatile silent power source to take anywhere. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile outlets. With two 120 volts outlets, 4 USB ports including a USB-C, and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 USB outlet. It also comes with 3 convenient 5mm DC outputs. Number 2. 3-mode lighting. This keeps you going whether it's with the built-in side reading lamp or dual-mode front flashlight to shine your way through the night. Number 3. Ultra-portable. Ultra-compact and light at 3.5 pounds. These are incredibly easy to carry and store in a vehicle storage compartment or just hooked onto your gear. Number 4. 4 charging styles. Comes with AC and cigarette lighter outlet accessories for use with cars, walls, and generators. Includes solar panel capability to maintain the power bank of this. Number 5. Dependable choice. Peace of mind and preparation is always important when you're working from home and need a dependable backup power solution or battery generator. It acts as a power pack for laptops, phones, internet routers, and security systems. Perfect as a charging station or emergency power kit. Number 6. Adventure ready. When you're on the road, it's engineered to be easy to use and ready to go as a solar power bank. A small generator that's portable and quiet when you're camping, hunting, fishing, tailgating, at trade shows or music festivals. It keeps drones, GoPros, heated blankets, lights, and mini coolers on for the day. Number 7. Versatile use. From power outages to travel, Westinghouse portable power stations are a great choice for an indoor generator or outdoor generators. It's a mini generator that requires no engine maintenance and is rechargeable with a built-in carrying handle, a backup battery supply with a flashlight to picnic power supply. It's all here. Number 8. Hours and hours of power on a single charge. 155 watt-hours of lithium-ion battery capacity. Provides long-lasting power that charges smartphones up to 17 times, tablets up to 9 times, DSLR cameras up to 16 times, drones up to 23 times. Delivers hours of power for a Nintendo Switch, Bluetooth speakers, and GPS systems. Number 9. Smallest, lightest portable power station in its class. At 3.75 pounds, this is lighter than a full 36 ounces Yeti Rambler and smaller than a lunchbox. Backpack-ready mini generator with a convenient carrying handle and built-in flashlight and reading lights. Perfect compact charging station for camping and other outdoor activities. Number 10. Charges at home, on the go, or in the field. Charges to 80% in less than 6 hours using a household outlet, or in less than 7 hours in the car or with a solar panel. Number 11. Eco-friendly power generator. Reduce your carbon footprint for more sustainable lifestyle. No obnoxious fumes, no messy maintenance, no noise pollution. Whisper quiet indoor and outdoor generator. Number 12. Worry-free power, safe for all. Safe for sensitive electronics with built-in device and battery guard. Short circuit, overload, and temperature protections. Prolongs battery lifespan and safeguards against damage. Number 13. What's included? AC adapter, DC adapter, cigarette lighter plug, manual, backed by 2-year coverage with limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service network, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can all or multiple ports be used on this at the same time for charging? Answer: yes. You may use all the ports and outlets at the same time for charging for as long as they are within the 100 running watts and 150 peak watts. You may also still use the outlets while this is charging. However, there is no motor as it is powered by lithium-ion batteries, so you will not hear anything. Question number 2. Can you charge rechargeable batteries on this? Answer: yes. You may use this for your rechargeable batteries so as long as the outlet connections match. Question number 3. Can I use an extension cord with this on? Answer: yes. You may use an extension cord with this. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.